Hello and welcome to the Construction EPA Company's tutorials on EPA Pro. Here I'm going to show you how to book the endpoint assessment for your apprentices once they have gone through their gateway. And to start with, what you will need to do is come to support materials and you want to go into the bookings form. This will take you to the document that you will just click on the right hand side, and as that loads it will show in the bottom left hand corner. So once that's fully loaded, open the file into Word and you will be able to fully edit this document. So the bookings form has information at the top to guide you through the process. So once you've completed it, it will ask you to send an email to our bookings@constructionepa.com email address. And any requests for dates must be at least 10 working days in advance. And we will respond to all bookings forms within 24 hours of receiving your email. So I will show you that the apprentice details go in the top here. So for today, John Doe is our apprentice. His employer is Smith's Roofing, and he's completing a level 2 roofer standard. You will need to add the full details of the person organising the assessment, which will be yourselves. And then we move on to the assessment components. So the first one, exam assessment booking, will be for the knowledge test. And because this will be taking place at your centre, the date really is up to you, as long as we have 10 working days notice to organise all the login details for your apprentice. So pop the date and the time that you would like that knowledge test to begin. You need to make sure that you add your full address here and the full details of the invigilator. It's important that full details are provided here because we will be sending out invigilation codes and some invigilator guidance for them. Moving on, we will be moving to the skills assessment booking. And here we would just ask that you request the week commencing, so that we can make sure that our endpoint assessors and our centres are available. Location, you just need to make sure that you specify whether we will be coming to you or that you will be coming to one of our test centres. And finally, if there is an interview or professional discussion involved within the standard, you will need to also request the date and specify location here. Once you've completed the form, please remember to email it to us on the bookings@constructionepa.com email address. And please do remember that we need EPA dates requested at least 10 working days in advance.